Hello, happy flowers. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm using a statue as my vase. The unique vase adds beauty to this arrangement. The arrangement is in Western style. I made this arrangement to display in my balcony. How and where we display an arrangement is also very important in flower arrangement. The shape which I'm making this arrangement is inverted crescent shape. So I'm adding flowers and leaves according to that shape. This is the basic shape of the arrangement. Now we have to cover the foam and beautify the arrangement with some extra flowers and small leaves. To make this arrangement special, I'm going to place a small ribbon bow at the center. The arrangement is complete and ready to display now.